Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the different ways on using Google Meets. Now there are several ways to do it. The easiest in my opinion is through the computer. If you have access to a computer at home, then follow these instructions. So your friend that invited you to your Google Meets calls should have sent you a link. It's as simple as clicking on that link, as long as you have either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. But what if I don't have access to a computer? What if I only have access to a cell phone? Well, if you have iOS or Android, then you can use it on there too. So as you can see, this is what it should look like right here. So you download that, and again, it's as simple as clicking the link. What if I have access to none of these things? In fact, what if I only have access to a dial phone? Well, believe it or not, you can actually access Google Meets through your dial phone as well. So here's the number that you actually have to call. So it's 1-912-712-4212. And this is the number right here. The number on your screen. And then the assistant on the other end, the virtual assistant on the other end, will ask you for a 9-digit PIN followed by the pound key. Now, if you have an incompatible browser, like Microsoft Edge, for example, then you should be able to get this PIN. That is one way of getting a PIN. I'm not sure if there are any other ways of getting the PIN. Let me know in the comments. Is of using Google Meets. Somebody who is having considerable trouble with Google Meets, I recommend you share this video with them. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more daily content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.